Pero nasa south tayo ngayon eh, kaya go south. Bottom check mo yun. Bottom check, bakit may G dito? Di naman take it to.
Ano yan? Race 3?
Ayan, di na rin. Ayan na, bilis na bumalaw.
Ano yan? 3 lang? 3 lang?
Uy. 24 years, ngayon ko na nakita. Ganda. Are you good, boys? Alright, ito na talaga. Wala nang trial, Levy tries to beat first to 3. Okay?
First to 3.
Nagpapakiramdaman po, ayaw ipakita yung gagamitin. Ayun na, Storm, Halle Berry, Iron Man, Robert Downey. Okay, silent Olivia Moon. Ay! Ito na po, we have Iron Man Strider po para kay Jackie representing losers, Levy, Iron Man Storm Strider, ISP ng Pinas. Nakamaalagad, sige pa. Okay, if you would like to thank our sponsors, Jollibee, diba, Sodiocon, diba, LGTV, OLED, maganda to. 4 minutes pa. Maraming salamat po sa festival mo. Ito po, daming sponsors. Dito nga ako na kayo. Pag nag-include ulit, sponsors tayo. O, Gagpet, lumipad si Storm, Philippine Airlines. Ayun na, nagpaulong ng abo. Hindi pa sa kabila. Okay, high-low. Cross up, nice block. Tinamaan na naman ang bato. Kay Nico Holon. Yoshinoya. Sorbetes and Winter Toys. Ito, broken can. Commercial muna tayo. Okay, Ouroboros. Ninja po. Oh, may tag out. May combo. Pipicture ulit. Picture. Okay. Okay, unlockable. Walang unlockable. Okay, kaya pa. 5 snapback. Okay, tinamaan ng bato. Masama talaga ang bato. Okay, picture mo. Okay, game 1, Jackie. Masama ang bato. Masama ang bato. Di ang bato. Sumasayaw-sayaw pa yung ayaw. 1-0 na for the North. Grabe talaga yung ninjahan na to eh. Okay, 50-50 po simula. Like a true Marvel game. Okay. Okay, balik tayo sa sponsors. Ito, Costan PH, One South Cosplay and Cavite Cosplayers Official. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta sa Supercon PH. Oh, patay ka na rin. Sabi kayo si Justin Bieber dito eh. Napapakanta ka.
Sample daw muna, sample.
Okay, Strider, going for the trap. Okay, Rock, Sandwich, Oro. Hindi, gusto mag-combo. Makulit. Okay, kailangan po ilabas ni Levy ang sign-up. Grabe na karawin ka, Ouroboros. Mga sing-sing po, ang daming pinabato. Okay, Philippine Airlines, lumipad. Okay, no panis. Nag-isang dash. Walang gas po si Iron Man. Mahal. Okay, Jackie Iron Man still playing on defensive. Then he trying to apply pressure with the tip to this one. Okay, nagkatigan. Ayaw mag-exchange ng number. Okay, nice block. Block to the cover ng Iron Man. Ito na po, nagkakabakbakan na. Isang pumalupit na ice scramble po nangyayari dito. High-low mix up. Ito pa, marami pang yellow. Hindi pa patay. Yung paulan, medyo tagilit pa po tayo dito, pero kaya-kaya pa po. Very winnable. Piece of the matchup, kailangan mabuhay si Dr. Boone. DHC, Inubos ng red light ni Dr. Doom. Is it worth it? Hindi po natin alam. Nako, naabot ni Strider. Or minipal mula sa metro para mag-DC. Ang nangyari, lahat sa the rocks for the safe kill. Strider Doom trap. Tupo tayo, hindi natin siya makakawala dyan. Ay, nag-wall ride. Akit bahay. Grabe yun na. Okay, ang goal po yan para magsipaw dito yung lockdown with the rings. Okay po, hindi pa sa kabunay din. Tawag ng aso. Patay si Iron Man. Silent right now, although it's looking like a very bad matchup right now. Mahirap ang comeback na to. 17 seconds. What can we do? Okay, rings, box, game to Jackie.
Coach and fielder of Nabi.
Go, Levy!
Levy switching up between Matrix, Cyclops assist, very good to counter Dr. Doom Rocks. O nagpaulan. Piece of the matchup po dito. Gusto namin sana makita yung level mo sa Cyclops Storm Sentinel. Guaranteed ka clean. Pero right now, Iron Man is cheating. Gusto niya po ilabas ito. Levy trying to play defense as much as possible. Not in the game. Nakapagpa-picture, yung palabas ng rings. For Jackie trying to set up the trap. Okay, akit bahay na naman. Nawala yung momento, pero nahuli. Alright, nice launch. Okay. Nagtawag ng book, umipit. Nice super jump restore. Naka-avoid ng chip. Very important. May 2 bars, 2 shot. DXC to Sentinel. As expected. Oh, he's a pilot. May iwasan pa ng ng rings. Nasapak, masakit. Pag masakit pala, alam niyo, pag nasapak ka ng robot.
Siyempre, baka yun sir. Tawa lang yan.
Okay, laser. Tawag ng bato, nagtawag ng rings, itapusin ko si Brown dito makbo. Pinabala ang robot. Okay, left and right. Cyclops, rings slice. Nabuhay ko si Dr. Oh, this is huge. Big player, unang mamatay na character dito will be at a big disadvantage right now. Cyclops trying to build into the DHC out. May pang-counter, not this. Sacrifice na for Cyclops. Okay lang, Sentinel still at attack. Strider low bar. Nice tag out. Tumama yung Roxy Doom. No punish. Storm trying to freeze him out. Oh, ito na. Nag-white ka. White si Jackie. O, yan na. Oh, that forward into the drones, into the ice. Left, right, mix up. Punishable. Pero hindi mo mamatay. Walang metro. What's the mix up? High! Double overhead. Okay, solo Iron Man. Pero very doable. 2 quick hits lang po. Walang buhay sa Storming Sentinel. That's one. Guard break. Oh, this is the guard break. Oh, here comes the robot. Yeah. Keep more. Ooh. Jackie resets the hit. Yeah. Gagano, reset to. Then we going back to Iron Man. For Iron Man, Silent TV. Okay, balik po tayo sa IST. Sa dalawang laro yun, hindi naka-impin si Iron Man. Hindi ako napagpas na sponsors. Okay, hello. Yung napakadelikado ko yung spawn na may Psylocke. Grabe yung grabe ang okay pressure. High, low, left, right. Parang pag-iisipan. Hindi nakita, nahuli. Again, Jackie knockdown. Sila ang black button. Lagyan mo na ito, okay, para tumabing buhay. Ball Gao. Maybe actually working on a perfect right now. Yan, naman ang reach. Naman ang reach. Okay na, moral victory. Pero dyan, nakasuko po. Yan, sumuko na. Once, sa bagong set po.
Happy!
So right now, hindi lang dyan kami na-execute sa Ironman, although yung slider po ay nagbubuhat. Pero na po, the Rocks, tries to go with it, wala po. Nagpaulan. Lively, pretty much the same po for both players. Grabe. Scramble na para sa ilap. Okay. Oh, convert? No convert. Si Roy Dolan. Okay. Pinamahan naman. Storm naghahanap ng BHC to Ironman. Ironman naghahanap ng BHC out to Strider. Oh, no punish. Oh, nag-isip na si Storm. Okay, BHC to BHC. Pinamahan po yung Ironman. Nag-win the Doctor 2. Leading the Strider po with 3 bars. Kaya-kaya pa po mag-comeback dito. Ito na po, trap started. Sandwich between the Rocks and the Rings. Okay, nahabot po si Ironman. Not watching my legs. Ironman bleeding right now. Nahabot po ni Cathy, very aggressive striker right now. Doctor din mag-check damage. No, nawasak po yung mga bato. Oh. Okay. Let it crack daw, let it crack. Sige. Big scope of Strider, tawag ito sign up. Okay, marami pong buhay yung bibigay. Pag namatay ko si Dr. 2, that's going to be huge for Levi right now. Remember, 1-0 po tayo kay Levi. This is the final set. First to 3. OTG. Buhay pa. Okay, save the meter. Oh, the chip damage. Oh. Toss up. You see inside. Okay, Doctor Dream still going in. 27 seconds. Oh, chip damage. No death. Convert. Oh, fancy. Oh, Merry Christmas. Okay, Levi, tournament point. Jappy has to win 3 straight in order to win the tournament. Okay, they both decide to stick on the same team. Nahuli po. Pero nakawala pa sa team. Levi playing good defense right now, space control. Nandun sa position niya, hindi siya may input kung natamaan siya ni Ironman. Goes for the mix-up, I know again. Goes high, same side. Picture perfect sa harap mismo ng kanon. Nakawala ni Ironman! Oh, that's unfortunate. Hindi po consistent, hindi talaga consistent, malas talaga. Tuloy Silac dumudumi po. Okay, the Rocks, cover, second oro. Oh, that's that. Team start. Okay, Doctor Doom! Oh, no! Oh, no! Doomsday! Okay, kaya pa? Jappy, susuko yan. Hanggat may Ironman, hanggat may buhay. Habang may buhay. Hindi pa rin na, Philippine Airlines punat mode po na yung Storm. Playing good defense. Kaya kapulot ng double drop ni Slider. This is still very doable. Nice block. And push block. Slider chip. No problem. Storm building meter right now. Drop. Okay. Oh, nag-chip out the Storm. Silax coming. Oh, this is huge. Oh, PhD. set up. Very risky po yun. Pag tumama, mag-iinit. Pag na-block, patay. Oh no, the drop. Lumabas yung not smart bomb. Hindi siya smart. Not smart bomb. Academy ng challenge bomb. Okay, smart bomb po ulit. Iron Man, very low life right now. Na-picture yung Iron Man. Tumahan pa yung Psylocke nakapag-oro. Oh no, cut out. Infinite. Oh no! Okay, UNID. Cross up. Oh! Winnable pa, 15 seconds. Anybody's pointing. All na pa tayo. Guard break. Nakahigit mo na ako. Clutch. Oh, good shot out. Oh, sure enough.
Good job, nice one.
Akala ko wala na yung
Two super. Region with Orobo Mouse. Possible.
Madaya. Kaya na yun. 2-1 na, 2-1. Alright, 2-1. Ay, natamaan. Nakakita tayo ng unit ulit. Again, TMS the Mighty Store. Minimum corner since 2020. Toy collectibles, GGT, and anime collectibles. Nasupera ka ba? Okay, very good. Patay na ata sa store kung hindi magkakakami si Javi. Hindi, binuhay. Oo. Ay, hindi, na-block. Okay, once the play, snap back, once to secure the kill on storm, let's check the zoom. Okay, Psylocke papasok. Psylocke, ano ginagawa ko dito? Assist lang ako. Naku. Okay, the pressure, hindi pinakawala sa corner. Tayo ka na ng bahay dyan. Magparenta na ng apartment. Okay, ito si Dr. Good. Ito pa. Hindi na apartment. Nakawala naman sa corner. Iron Man. Solid defense right now. Still very winnable. Iron Man Psylocke. Nakit bahay si Strider. Nawala yung pressure. Pero may mention pa po para mag-oro. Yung Iron Man stay alive. No. And it looks like we're going to a final game. One more game at nakapag-award dito, nakapag-uwian na tayo. Malayo pa uwian ng ibang maraming taga-North dito. Sa mga taga-North dito. Nako! Okay, press on. Nasa top, no, confirm. He did not believe. Pacific Airlines mode po sa storm right now. Alam mo sa atin ka pang-anin mo protagonist eh. Mga tipong never give up, kumahapon at kumahapon. Okay, no punish? No punish. Okay, ito is movements unpredictable para hindi ka mapunish ng Iron Man after yung setup. Okay. So parang ano eh, parang ang laro ng storm na to, parang yun na magbaback ka sa simula ito. Third strike joke lang lang. Ito naman yun. Okay, jab. Oh, okay. Alright, he got that. Okay, we have the guard break. Hindi, he wants to go for the trap. Pero ganawa ko na Psylocke. Oo. Okay, the trap. 2 bars pa lang yan, pero 3 Ouroboros na yun. Kasi makakabilibos ng isa pang bar. So imagine nung mga binigil, nakakabilibos pa lang ba sa itong binigil. Diba? Diba? Okay, Psylocke first to come out para magbigay ng oras para kay Iron Man, pero Javi right now applying the pressure. The trap is there, the rocks, the rings, the dogs. Snap back! Oh, may rings pa! That was it, pansin. Tumama kayo, Iron Man. That's nice. And Javi takes it. nagpakatapa. Congratulations to Jackie and Kevin Pacquiao.
natin.
Again.
Sayang.
So maraming salamat po ulit sa Storycon and Festival Mall for marvelous staff from 2 This is Pro TV.